en mi mirada. Los minutos pasan y las reglas se traspasan. Es una locura, pero vale la aventura. Midnight is my school y el momento es perfecto. Every night at 12 we break every law. Babe, I know she coming back for more. Every night 12 cracking all combos. Fading pushing, see, but she ain't get both. Jumping in the hazy, baby, I'm not lazy. Only good leg in me, just a you pull, check out a big tune. I compare how to live for you. Think about that day when my heart is bare. This hand and jet, just sitting. Breaking rules, losing control. Can't stop now, won't let you go. 매일 밤이 우리 천국. Fuck the world, this is our show. Every night at 12. Every night at 12. 매일 밤 불씨. Breaking all the rules. Every night at 12. The rules. 다시만 벌칙. 끝이 go. Can't stop, won't stop, baby, it's central. 우리는 만남이 in the infrared. Every night at 12. Been holding back too long, pressure building up inside. You're not one the much you see, try to keep me down, but why? Every time you push me back, so don't ever my sweat it. Tonight I'm breaking free, like in my body. Feel it coming, feel it rising. Don't let them.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability, we are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning, guys. Sound check. Cameras are on. Let's do a quick sound check.
3, 2, 1.
Sound working. It's making so much noise there. Okay, seems good. Don't forget, today is the last day to qualify for tomorrow's, what do we call it? Giveaway game? Give away the account, the Bullinox account tomorrow. Like to have 3 qualifiers. Markets are strong. Non-farm payrolls came out, I think, around 119,000. Expected was only 50,000. So a little bit stronger than expected. I would assume, as we saw, that a stronger economy would boost the markets. We shot up from 25,130 to 25,230. and did the standard pattern there. Wow, that was a nice trade right there. Stop loss on that one, but got the 1 minute pullback. And then the question, the 50% pullback, was it 50%? It's the 50% pullback, and then are we going for the data lows? Yep, we're going for the data lows or the data highs. It's a strong market. In most cases, we go for the data highs. On conditions like that, let's take a look at the Asia session, what we did. Took out the high, took out the low. At that point, there's an 80% chance we take out the highs again. And it's been taken care of already. So that's not on our watch list anymore. Let's see if we see any levels that are worth looking at into. Yeah, we'll extend this out a little bit. Give me a second. Let's get the properties out on this. Start time, end time, 12 a.m. What if we make it 12 p.m.? That way we don't have to deal with it. There we go. So we're kind of trading into that little resistance area. We saw some selling come in on November 16th at this level. We stalled out just before it, pulled back a little bit, sold off from this level also on November 14th. We did manage to trade through it, but then we sold off again just a little bit higher, another 150 points higher. So there is a little bit of overhead resistance that we need to keep in mind. On the daily, we tapped into the 100, and pretty much rocketed back up over the 50. And let's see if we can hold over the 50 again. So maybe that was just a little bit of a 1, 2, 3 day bob under the 50 moving average, and we get back above it. Take a quick look at ES and NQ. See if anyone is. Oh, that's smarter. And that was a little compressed. ES, let me see what ES did. ES was a little bit stronger at the London Open, 2 in the morning. It still showed more strength on the sell-off until like 4 or 5 o'clock. NQ sold off stronger. And now the recovery, taking out the midnight until 6 a.m. highs. I would still say ES is stronger. Yeah, ES is stronger, NQ is weaker so far. Gold, 4084, hanging over 4,000. Golden. And taking a look at the pre-market range at 6 to 930. We got 25,050, 25,270. Excuse me, market does have a habit to wick into one side and then head for the other side, so I might be looking for that trade. Just a short signal over here. It was a long time ago, but kind of, it worked. Well, why didn't it work there? Maybe I didn't have it set up yet. I'm running my bot, testing my bot today. Come on, trigger in. There you go. That stops, eh? Stop should be a little bit bigger, I think. Maybe add another 14 ticks. We are going to disable. We are going to cancel the stop. I'm changing the stop edit strategy. Too tight like that. Where there's the stop? Stop ticks 48. Let's make it 64. Okay. Strategy. We synchronize. Okay. And enable. Hey, no, you're supposed to be in. Enable. Okay, we'll see what happens. It's testing it out today. Well, you know what? Let's reset the account that we're testing it out on. Market's opening in about 5.5 minutes. That's strange. I didn't hear you beep in.
You're not speaking to me? Give me the silent treatment?
No, I didn't hear you beep in. That was funny. I had the Discord on mute, though.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Friday already, eh?
Friday Eve.
Yeah, Friday Eve. Volume is working. Hey, Sparky. Sparky, I gave you cookies already. Getting a little bit of a boost here. The market's got a trigger at 28.
Market ain't even opened yet.
Yeah, I know. Just looking. Pre-market trades.
Calm down. There's plenty of time to lose money.
Getting a good price, though. I'll take it when I get that kind of a discount on the trade. 8
Wanted to
points
turn
better.
my fan on. Wanted to turn my fan on, but I was already cold, so I had to go find my jacket. So that I could put the jacket on so that I could turn the fan on.
Oh, I like that jacket. That's new, eh? You just got that. I like it.
Jacket forever. In Florida, we keep jackets for 10 years.
Yeah, Florida, yeah, you just need one. You don't need a whole closet of them.
I have to turn my fan on to pretend like it's cold outside so I can wear my jacket.
That was cold in the morning today. Today's a cold day over here in Quebec.
What do we got? We got 66 right now.
Those guys, the video I sent you, look like they're having fun, eh?
What video? The black guys?
The two guys at the table, yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck, I watched that. I looked, that's fun. They looked like they were like just laughing.
You do a market analysis?
I did a little bit, yeah. We've gotten back over to 50 on the daily. The Asia session did already. It's triple tap, so that's done. And we're trading over VWAP, previous day's close, so we're kind of bullish. I'm watching the pre-market range, looking to take out the high, probably of the pre-market range, and then maybe do a reversal. I'm not making a prediction, but it's a setup. I might look to take it.
Take a look.
Pre-market range, 25,270 is the high. Well, 265, let's say.
Oh man, so I'm sitting there watching TV last night, and I see this video. I think it was on Facebook or something. And this guy, oh my God, the market's crashing. It's all going to nothing. Nasdaq's or S&P's lost $80 billion or $100 billion or something. What the heck is this guy talking about?
It's
Did
like they see
crash?
different charts.
Like, did the market crash afterwards? Like, what's going on? So I pull out my phone, I open Trade and View, and we're up higher than we were. I'm like, the heck are we talking about?
Yeah.
What market crash?
That was a 10-point dump on the imbalance report. Or
My chart over here. Let me break out a daily chart real quick. What are we, like 4% or whatever from the high?
oh, I would say maybe even less than that.
Oh, I got it pretty close. Oh man, that was a good guess. It's like 4.2%
It is, yeah.
from the all-time high. So I said it before, I say it again. You can hear my voice. If this right here scares you in the market, if you think 4% from the high is a market crash, get your money and run now.
I'm actually surprised that we are down that much from the high.
Get the market's not for you. Go find something else. All these people, man, they just want to fearmonger everything. And I mean, eventually we're going to have a big crash. It's just inevitable. Everything's too overvalued. But to say that every little 1% drop is the worst market crash in history, what we got? 20 seconds. Pushing back up to the top of this range. We could see it go around the 400, 350, 400 area, 25, 350, 400. We're looking for it to break above that range, that area. This is still in the range. So do we reject that area? Do we come back down, or do we push up, go for all-time highs again? First step we got to do is breaking that resistance area. For the bears, they want to come back down, test the support at around 400, 24, 400. We're just 1,000-point range. Historically, November is a bullish month. So we're looking to see. We're going to get that Christmas rally, holiday rally. We're going to push back up. Who knows? Comes down to the lows. Buy some good stocks. Shoots up, sell them. We got dumping on the open.
Mm-hmm.
Not really liking these open trades anymore. Just better get my head in the game and open the right chart. Do a quick sound check. What we got? Check. Bite, hey, bark like a dog.
Burr, burr. It'll work.
That was a good puppy impression. I'm proud of you.
Puppy. That sounded more like a Labrador.
What was that noise?
Emergency broadcast.
That on your end?
Yeah.
To bark like a dog, not beep like a microwave or something. Actually sound like my refrigerator getting mad at me. Actually, I should say getting mad at the kids. So I am still bullish, but I'm just wondering, do we get a drop down to get everybody bearish first and then go up? Been getting these massive moves lately. I don't know, maybe we go down, get everybody bearish and shoot up to the 25,350 area.
Oof.
I haven't seen Skeletor.
Well,
He's sleeping in.
We didn't take out any.
What did he?
Any pre-market levels yet?
Took out this minor one right here.
Yeah, no.
25, 199.
Fair enough. I'm in for me the 6 to 930. That's around 270 and quite low. The other one, 050, 25,050.
We got a little bit of liquidity at the 25,167. Came down, took that. We look for more of a major liquidity pool, but we also have a gap on the 5 minute. Came right to it and bounced off of it. Could be it. Bull step in, run it.
I have a lot more data on Top Step. NQ doesn't seem to update prices often as Top Step does, Top Step X. Seems to filter it like Top Step X. It looks like I get like 15 price updates in a second. NQ seems to give me about 3.
What do you mean NQ? Ain't you trading NQ?
Sorry, not NQ. Ninja Trader. Sorry. My mistake. They both start with the letter N, so.
It's like my charts ain't really that in sync again.
Yeah, I keep looking.
How do people trade like this? Put a chart timer on here somewhere. I don't know where I put it.
Shit, that was a mistake. Shouldn't be in that trade.
And jets flying over my house again. Everyday thing now? They ain't bombing us or something. What the hell are they doing?
Air show. Trading kind of sideways. I mean, when they compress the chart.
31 seconds behind.
Are you really?
That's what it says. I don't even know what's going to happen if it gets me in a trade. It's going to get me in a trade 30 seconds behind.
Want me to tell you what's happening?
I already know what's happening. I got the other chart. I can see the future. Imagine if I could really trade like that. Like, I wonder if I could do it. I'm almost tempted. Like, can I just put on my master account and just take... I know where it's going. One day I'm going to have to try it.
Would be fun, eh?
Then I'd be excited for days like this, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Remember the other day I knew where it was going. I still kept losing. Couldn't fit it in my stop loss. I have to go to an ATM strategy with no stop loss. Just let it go. You imagine trading and knowing the future 30 seconds in advance. Man, I'd have so much money. I wouldn't know what to do with it. Oh wait, there's a 100-point drop. Let me full port this. Fortunately, I don't think it works that way. I'm still 26 seconds behind.
How do you know? How do you get that kind of info?
I have a chart lag indicator.
Wow. That's what trading do?
Ninja Trader.
Oh, well, I'm going to ask you to send me that.
Name of it is Chart Lag Time version 3. Remind me, I'll see if I can find it. Post it in Discord or something.
That's interesting. How does it know?
What do you mean you're getting data? It knows if your Ninja Trader clock's slower than your computer clock. And then it gives you both times. So I have 9:40 and 9:39:30. Actually, I'm 20 seconds behind right now. It's trying to catch up. 18, 17.
Because I see it, but I can't really. There's no way I can calculate it.
How often you're like a half a second or second behind. But you were saying the other day, like you feel like you're getting into the market, and yet you're
you're like you're not playing what's on your chart.
There's always lag. It's constantly there. The thing is how much. The cool thing about the indicator is it changes red to tell you, look, you got quite a bit of lag.
Yeah, that's the funny thing, though. I don't see that with Top Step X. Isn't that amazing? A new platform, and they never seem to have the lag. I don't know how to explain that.
Well, unless you're watching it against another chart, you really don't know.
No, when there's lag, it's always Ninja Trader. I use my Project X as my baseline chart because it's always on point.
Yeah, I use TradingView. I told you, guy got mad at me one time because I was saying how the prop data is always the one lagging.
Yeah.
The TradingView data is the live data.
Okay, perfect. So I finished coding the remainder of my bot. I think I'm kind of happy with the way it is. We'll see. And it's going for big moves.
I don't know if you can see the lag time indicator. Switch over. Can't see it, can you? It's right out the screen.
Yeah.
K50 trading. Good morning.
It was really quiet in the chat yesterday.
Last night?
Not in the chat last night. Yeah, in the stream. Almost nobody.
Every time I looked over, you weren't there.
Yeah, that's it. Maybe that's why. Because there were some people that, showed up and stuff. I was seeing viewers, but
I wasn't sure if you were talking or not because I was watching a movie.
Long.
I was watching Christmas Chronicles or something.
Yeah.
I think that was the name of it. I don't know. Apparently there was a few different numbers. You know what I'm saying? This is... Alright, get the fuck out of there.
Yeah, I saw the, views go to watching now, whatever go up to. I think 5 was the highest, but they stuck around 10 minutes and then it went back down to 2.
They put me into a trade. But then
I love how you say they.
Come on. Where the fuck are you at? You don't like they? What do you like?
Your system.
But, okay, hear me out.
My bot put me in a trade.
Okay, yes, my bot put me into a trade. But the data wasn't there. Okay?
Visually.
I bet you, if I turn the bot off, I give it a second, turn it back on, I bet you it was a winning trade. Let me see if I can switch over. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about.
I think I do. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, there's data that the chart doesn't reflect the data.
Okay. Here's I think. I don't want to turn it back on right now, but it don't give me the information unless the bot's on. But okay, let's say the trade's here. Okay, we got this candle. We're breaking down. We got a spot, right? So let's say the trade's here. Somewhere around here. Actually, it'd be at the end of the candle, so please stop. So right there. Trade comes in here, goes down, right? So it goes short right here. The problem is it's shorted up here. If you can see that. Because when this candle hit, the data was really up here. So it shortened a candle. It didn't short the candle it was supposed to short. It shorted up here because that's where the data should have been. If that makes any sense. I don't know.
It does. It does. And that's the lag between...
Look, you can see it right here. Actually,
the way these things update.
All right, there it is. You can see the trade right there.
Mm-hmm.
So it shorted way up here. It shorts at the end of the candle. It should have shorted. It's okay. Maybe it should have been this one then. Maybe it should have been there or there. I don't know. I have to wait until I turn it back on. But it shorted way up here. If that makes sense. Not because the candles were wrong, but because the data simply wasn't there.
Mm.
It's getting better though. It's at 5 seconds now. I guess that was the answer to our earlier question. If I could just trade with old data. I guess I don't get to know the future. Okay, 50, unless you didn't hear, my chart is lagging. Ninja Trader chart, so. I think it's catching up though. Yeah, we're turning green. I think we're back to real-time data.
That's a real interesting indicator.
We take this one.
The bars are really large.
Language very and I'll give it down. Your body speaking loud.
didn't even look. Do we have news today? I missed my indicator because at least it would let me know if there was news. 8:30 initial jobless claims.
Non-farm payrolls today came in stronger at 119,000 as opposed to 50,000 expected, I think.
Yeah. And then we have existing home sales at 10. I might want to step out the market for 10 o'clock.
What's at 10 o'clock? Sorry, I didn't catch it.
Existing home sales, right?
Yeah.
I think is what I said.
Well, it's good to know that at least the data is coming back out again. It was a little annoying when didn't know because of the shutdown if there was going to be a release or not. And you would go to the website, the government website, and you wouldn't even be able to be notified. They didn't update whether it was coming out.
Oh, yeah?
Ouch. Wow, a bit of a dump there. I should have just done that. A bit of a dump there.
Mm-hmm. Taking everybody out, isn't it?
Mm.
The grinder. Call this the grinder.
When the beat move, we all move. Sin barreras, sin moves, just true. From Miami to Madrid, we keep flowing. Coast to coast, the moon is growing. And like Kanye or the club, we unite. Breaking barriers every single night. They try to stop us, but we rise higher. Mi gente dancing through the fire. No passport needed when we rock. Yes, the ritmo breaks the deadlock. Feel it coming through your veins. Echo de ritmo, no chains. Watch how fast these walls come down when we let the music crown. Like fronteras in a ritmo. Hey, music breaks
It looks bullish though.
It does. I was just thinking that.
Music breaks down every wall, let's go. From the blocks to the world stage. Esa música breaks every cage. Don't matter where you're coming from. El ritmo makes our hearts beat as one. They can't control
Push higher.
what we create.
You in?
What's the range? 42. I'm in long. I don't know at what price.
When the people
I don't even know where it is. I'm trading my wealth chart. I don't know where that is. 38.
Took a quit long, but then it spiked up, so I got out. Tried to get back in, then right before I could get back in, jump back up.
Mm. Got a nice trade, working a nice trade also on the bot. Got in long early at 204. I'm curious to see what kind of runners you can catch. Got in at 947. Problem is there's the news, and that's the thing about bots. They're hard to trade when there's because of the news. You got to keep turning them on, turning them off. The theoretical results includes the news.
Yeah, that's why I always tell myself, I'm like, all this is added into the results. Still, it just doesn't make sense to have anything on while the news is going.
Mm.
fast through Spanish streets, strings and drums may keep complete. Past to present, watch me spin, where my journey will begin. Cuerdas cantan melodías, taking me to otros días. Feel the rhythm in my blood, moving like a rising flood. Bailando through the centuries, connecting souls that been
I would like to get in this long if I could get a nice pullback.
Yeah, well, we took out the pre-market highs, but it was with a bearish candle. I was kind of hoping it would have been with a bullish candle. If it was with the bullish candle, I would have had a short trade right now.
Well, I have a trade. The bot says our target is 263.
Okay.
But
That's it. Maybe it'll happen again.
like I said, I already took like 12 points. I'm not going to jump in again unless we get a pullback.
Yeah, like I said, I would go short. I mean, we swept it. We closed back inside the range, the pre-market range, but I would have wanted that to be a bullish candle, the one that made the high.
In the 5 minute, it was like this huge doji candle.
Again, ES is stronger than NQ. Still, I took a look before the whole session. ES has been stronger than NQ.
Did Nvidia have earnings yesterday? Seen something on
I
Facebook.
don't know, but I saw them up on someone's chart, so maybe.
Something about Nvidia earnings and came in way over expected.
I don't really follow the.
Yeah, but when you have a stock that's almost 10% the stock market, I mean, you almost got to, right? Yeah, they had earnings yesterday. Beat by 3 and 4%. 3 and 3.8, I guess. Almost. Yeah, okay.
Okay, 9:55. I'll let 10 o'clock come and go.
Nvidia's up 5% today. Damn, Google's up another 3. Might have to go sell some more Google.
Any specials that you've seen on any of the prop firms? Anything interesting out there? Did you come across anything?
Google launched Gemini 3. Improved AI. Man, y'all just ain't gonna let me keep my Google, are you? I have to sell it. No, I really didn't see much for sales. Kind of weird.
Look again at who was it?
Sorry, I'm talking to you. I'm looking
Bullinox.
at stocks, and I'm trying to figure out. I think I got an error in my new bot code. It says it's in a trade, but the trade should have been canceled. Like it didn't take profit or something. Weird. You got confused on the orders. It entered 2 trades at the same time.
Oops.
And then It exited the one trade, but then it didn't exit the other.
Hey, Sparks.
Problem.
Sorry, Sparks. Busy now.
All right, 1 and 3 long. 1 exit, 3 didn't. You don't know what that means. It's okay.
Not time.
Okay.
A minute and a half till news. One minute. It's coming through my speakers. That's why it's not coming into my headphones. I didn't. There we go.
Okay. I'll tell DeepSeek. See what it says.
No. Stubborn cat. Move. Let's go. Nope. 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 That's a good boy. 3, 2, 1. Spike lower. Spike higher. Sweep the highs. Close back in the range and give me a lower close and I'll have a decent short.
That was our news.
Yeah, pretty orange folder type of reaction.
I mean, it's really all already kind of priced in.
Mm.
Although they was trying to say that the government was hiding all that information. Even hourly, we came down perfect to the middle of that gap. Went straight up. Hourly gap and 5-minute gap.
Yeah.
Good job for anybody paying attention to the gaps that took it.
Okay, come on, push lower now, not higher.
There's Skeletor. Skeletor, good morning.
Morning, Skeletor.
Skeletor, how's the trading going? Late today. Yeah, you're right on time. Look at all these. Look at this 5-minute short. What nothing but killing everybody. Look at that. Buyers get in, get stopped out. Sellers get in, get stopped out. Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. You showed up just in time. Let the market start acting like a market again.
What do we got? 28 points on the range.
And on top of it, Call it the grinder skeletor. Just kind of grinds back and forth. On top of that, my Ninja Trader was lagging.
I just realized I don't have an exit. Okay, I got a decent short signal right now.
It's like you're long. You're long?
Well, as a counter trend trade is what I call my CT stuff.
You're talking about the trade that's on the chart?
No, that's my bot. But for looking for a reversal trade after taking out the pre-market highs, we sweep the previous high, a swing high, but we didn't close above the swing high. We actually closed inside the range, and then we got a bearish candle to take out that candle over there. So stop would be, let's put it up on the chart.
I just found out yesterday my kids are going to be home all next week.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell? All next week? What are they doing?
Spring break.
Thanksgiving break.
Spring break. Thanksgiving breaks in February. I missed it. So the 50% trade is a decent trade. Maybe
I don't remember being in school and getting all these days off. Like, they're constantly out of school.
Join asked for a one lot. Okay, I'm filled. We'll see. I'm filled at 85. My stop is a little bit over 300, and I'm targeting 240.
Short?
Short, yeah.
Skeletor, what do you think? Long or short? What you looking for? Or you don't care either way, you just looking for your setup?
I wish I had a two lot. There's 1-to-1 already. If I had a two lot, I could have. That's 2-to-1. I'm going to take it. $50. I'm taking it. Oh, I took it too early.
There you go.
Should have counted
days
to 10.
like today, I'd be blowing accounts. Me too, Skeletor. That's why I see this stuff. I'm just like, okay, hands off. Come back when it makes sense.
That was a beautiful trade. My bot should not be long. Okay, we got to fix that. I got to close the bot. I forgot a piece of code. See, that's why we battle test our bots.
Sometimes the best trade is just realizing the market's not in your favor and taking your hand off the mouse. What's my rank chart say?
Okay, what are the conditions? Well, it's too bad because it would have had a nice profit in the long trade, the bot, and it would have been now in a short, but I didn't have the code to reverse it. Made a mistake. I forgot. Oversight. Short enabled is true. Add strategy. Current market position equals strategy, market position, long. Add order management. Exit long position.
Mm-hmm.
Lot size. Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay, for the code. Now I gotta do the other side. Edit. Long enabled equals true. Okay. Current market position equals short. Okay. Remove, add. Exit short position. Quantity. Lot size. Okay.
Going down the test view up.
Okay. That was a nice short call I made, eh? For a counter trend trade.
I don't know. All I hear is you mumbling to yourself.
Before, remember, all the way up at short at 25,285. Stop was 25,300.
Oh,
I took out 2-1 on that, so I took out 30 points.
sweet.
Yeah, no, I have a nice reversal model. I like it. Like I said, I got there were a couple of potential entries, but they weren't off on bullish candles. I want the high. I want the swing high to be a bullish candle, and we got it right there. So it was a perfect setup, actually. Compile. It was beautiful. It was textbook.
Beautiful. Beautiful. It was so beautiful.
The only thing that
It was the
wasn't
most
textbook,
beautiful trade ever been. It was so beautiful.
Yeah. So beautiful.
So beautiful.
There's never been a more beautiful trade.
Never been a more beautiful trade than that one. So beautiful.
Now you got me off my train of thought. Oh yeah, the target. If I was a good trader, the target would be all the way down at 25,050. Ah, the other side of the range, or maybe even just like 75% of the range, to be honest with you. I like safe take profits. So a good safe target would be 25,100. Let's see if we get there.
What is it? 25,000 what?
25,100. Yeah. I'm curious.
Mike, do you have a day trading morning routine?
I do, yeah, definitely. Wait, give me a sec here. I have an entry.
I see this meme. It talks about day trading. What the hell?
Yes, I have a process. Basically, I mean, you know, when I start off taking a look to see what we did.
You know how YouTube's all.
Ask the question. I'm halfway through the answer. He just goes into
you
some
know how
YouTube
YouTube gets so crazy about any kind of like ad or whatever. On Facebook, there's a. I can't even show it to you, but it's
I'll get you back.
It's a super dirty ad. Look, I'm trying to tell you about the ad, man.
Okay, okay.
Some people. I should screenshot it and send it to you.
We're consolidating here. We're consolidating
it's a bit out there.
A little bit above VWAP.
Might get in trouble for screenshotting it and sending it to you.
I'm going to take a break again. No, send it on Discord.
That's what I'm saying. I might get in trouble.
Hmm.
It's that far out there. How they get away with stuff like that? All right, day trading routine. Okay, back to that. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I'll show you why in a little bit, okay? Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
I see the meme. It says day trading routine. I don't have any of this, right? 6 o'clock, wake up. 6:15, have coffee. 6:30, exercise. 6:50, shower. 7 o'clock, read the news.
If you're going to include all that, you definitely have all that in your routine.
7:30, check top percent gainers and losers. 8 o'clock, create watch list. 8:30, create plan. 9 o'clock, wait for market open. I got all that?
Sure. Wake up, get the kids ready for school.
I got to get them ready for school?
Colin.
I wake up, drive 50 miles to the office, uphill both ways in the snow. Joking. I trip over a dog and like walk over here and turn the computer on. Maybe I need a morning routine video. Wake up, brush teeth, make Zip Fizz. Send my harassing comments on Discord. Turn on computer. See how many programs I got to fight with. What's your routine?
Wait, right now I'm struggling with the slow wealth charts. Trying to figure out how to get out of my trade. Wow, is it so delayed? It's crazy.
I can't send you that picture right now because it's on my computer and it might go on YouTube and YouTube will delete my channel for it.
Okay, what's my routine? Well, I don't consider waking up, making coffee, exercising, and showering part of my trading routine. I open up the charts. I look at the Asia session, see what we did, see if we took out two sides without taking, going back to the original, the first one there. So that's the 80% trade. Take a look at the dailies, take a look at the levels, and then I take a look at the short-term levels and try not to form a bias and just ride the market wave, and that's it. It's a simple process.
Simple process. That's what I like about trading futures.
Yeah, a lot less information to digest. We just bounced off VWAP. Got a nice candle there. Too bad we didn't sweep the...
One main instrument I'm looking at. Just put up the chart. Give me a proper setup. I take it. Still bullish. Haven't seen anything to say otherwise yet. Maybe if we break this low here, maybe then I'll be bearish.
My short signal that I gave at 25,285 will be getting a reversal in 2 seconds from now. It is officially reversed. But I just put it up with the fibs. I like getting in if I can, if we retrace 50%, because then your risk to return is phenomenal. So if it just runs without me, so be it.
Would like a quick pullback right here to jump in. We're still in that market where we don't really get the pullbacks.
Yeah. Well, if you just look at from 930, would you say we're bullish or we're bearish? I'd kind of say we're bullish. We traded up. We're always been above VWAP.
From 930, yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
I've never seen anything all the way back from 5 o'clock. I haven't seen anything to say bearish.
Yeah. Traded up from 150 to 300, so we have that range. We just came back into a discount.
We have the higher highs. We have the higher lows. We haven't really, we at the 930 open, we kind of broke a low, but I still wouldn't consider that bearish. Could have been had we had another lower high and another lower low. But then we went right back up and broke the high again. So right now, everything to me still points bullish.
Yeah.
5 minute, we tested this gap. 1, 2, 3. This will be the 4th time. It's held every time.
Any inside bars? You look at inside bars for on the 5 minute. There was one.
I have an indicator for it.
Yeah,
Paint some bright yellow.
It got.
We've had 2 inside bars. I like it simple. Keep it simple. I look at the 2 minute chart. Give me my bias. And one of the other charts for entry. Could have a long entry right here.
What?
That's what I like about that. That quick, right? You don't have to guess about it. It's either a trade or it's not a trade. There. It's setting up. It either says, yes, I'm an actual trade, take me.
I'm an actual
or no,
trade.
I'm not.
You pecker better go up to 21. Seriously. Huh? I said, fucking market. I wanted it to go up to 21.
I wish the Renko chart wasn't so fast, because the Renko chart actually gives an added benefit. And that is, so the Heikin-Ashi chart, like I said, it either tells you it's a trade or it's not a trade, right? It's pretty quick. It's, hey, it's a trade, it's not a trade. You win or you lose. But with the Heikin-Ashi, the Renko chart actually has another variable to it, because in the Renko chart, a failed trade.
I'm looking at the 5 minute chart over here, and what I'm seeing is.
How about cutting somebody off, huh?
I told you I'd get you back. Go on. How does it feel, huh?
Some people.
Like that video I sent you see? Okay, go on, Renko chart.
No, I'm not telling you now. You missed the conversation.
Come on, don't be like that.
No, I'm not telling you now.
That was fun. I'm just saying.
That's what you say.
Woo!
Take that one for 13.
Some of the trades are really quick. Bumping up here against 50, 250. $257 got over the 250 level. Nice. The long that I called just hit the 1-to-1, hit the 200%. Unfortunately, didn't come back with the 50% retrace. Cancel. Delete. I didn't even load the giveaway game.
Let's go to where how's trading going now? You been trading it?
Are you booting?
What are you going on about?
I said, are you booting?
What that means?
Booting is a French word when...
Yeah, translator.
Like when you scold your kid and they just have a sad face and they're sitting in the corner and they're not talking to you. It's called booting.
Who are you scolding? What are you talking about?
No, I'm saying, wait a minute.
Anybody know what the hell he's talking about?
49, 47. Getting out. Try again. 42, 40. I'm long at 40. Okay, now give me 50. Go back up to 50. Let's go, buyers. Step in. Wow, it's fast. It's fast, and Well Charts is not a fast reacting platform. There's the 50. I don't think Well Charts should be traded in this kind of volatility. You know what? I'm curious. It's on Sim. Yep. You see, if I double click in Ninja Trader, it takes a 2-lot. If my order quantity is 1 and I go click, it takes a 2-lot. If I do click in Well Charts, it only takes 1. It takes too long to process the order. So actually, you get 3 different colors. First, you get a light blue thing, and then you get a dark blue thing, and then you get a white filled. It's like a 3-second process. You know, it's almost like they're throttling you, like they're slowing you down. Yes, it is, Mike. If that's accurate, there's a 3-second delay. It is like they're throttling you. Okay, there we go. Enter. Finger on the flatten. Okay, now you got to go down 2, which means you will. Whew, Jesus Christ, that's an odd pattern.
Yeah, I'll be back in a minute.
Looks like we're going to head higher. Haven't really gotten any signals to the downside yet. Keep taking out the swing highs. Don't you dare give me a 1 again. Okay, why is my bot not trading? What do we got here in the giveaway game? Futures and Omnius. You're not going anywhere. I'll let you guys run around. And the bot strategies. There we go. Enable it. True. It's not in a position? Seriously? No kidding, eh? That's pretty close. Make it 25, 30. Okay, we'll make a change. 25, what's that? 100 long EMA reach. Minus 100. 100. And immediately sync. Okay. And no, that's weird. Okay, anyways, let it go. Ah, it's real time. That's why. Silly me. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to take a break also. Go refresh my coffee.
Right. Found cookies. What? Everybody likes cookies. Skeletor, later they're holding a technology summit here. And I have to make sure everything runs smoothly. Sweet. Skeletor, see you later. Appreciate you hanging out. Don't you like it when you're roaming through the house and find cookies? See if we can push up, break this resistance. Trying to. See if we can break it and then go up to the 400 area. Resistance up here. Break this, gather support, push up. Somehow my bot got stuck in a trade. Won't get out of it. I mean, I'm not in it, but just looking at the bot and find out what the error is. Yeah, forgot to turn the camera on. Tried to break that resistance. See if we can get above it. Build structure. There he is.
98, 93. Hold on. 92, 6 points better. I'll take it. Long at 92.
I found cookies.
I wanted cookies yesterday. I was so in the mood. Oh my God. You are so unfair, Mr. Markets. So unfair. Let me open my camera. I was smelling cookies yesterday. I think my nose is broken. Why do I say that? Because I said to my daughter, "Are you making fudge? It smells like double chocolate cookies." She goes, "No, I made fish." I don't know. I'm smelling fish from your cookies. From cookies, but your fish smelled like cookies. $70, $80, $84. I want to get in under 80 if it triggers. The bot caught some nice trades, caught some nice moves. You know what the problem with it is? It catches nice moves, but then it gives back a lot.
I'm still stuck in a trade. I don't know what it's doing.
Smooth operator giveaway. I kind of almost forgot about that today, even already. Skeletor, did you type in giveaway? Deal me in, you're dealt. Every time I see Smooth Operator, I think of the song by Sade.
Go ahead, sing
it. You know what? I got to go make a change before I enter in the names. Give me a second. Oh, wait, there's a trade. 84. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Who's not singing it now? I missed the trade. Let me open this up. Minimize. What do I got to do? Unpin. And wide. Edit. Open with. Yeah, I can't change the names. Find. You asking for more cookies again, Sparky? File, save. There we go. Close, close. And now we can start adding names. Futures and Omnius. We just act as interference. Smooth, OP. We got another entry, eh? 2 of them I missed. And I'm down 46 on wealth charts. I was up as much as 178, but it is a difficult platform. I think I should use wealth charts just for these longer term trades. No, I don't have a short yet. Smooth operator. Who else was here? Skeletor, you in for the giveaway game today? Where is everybody?
Had a technology meeting to go to.
Oh, yeah?
Maybe he's going to learn about some new technology.
Or why they're still using old technology. Did I like your video? Yes, I did.
Did you ever put out the other podcast video?
No, but did you read my Discord? The little Python app I created?
Yeah.
It's really cool. It's really, really cool.
Struggling to break above.
We did. Yes, we did.
Do we do it? Do we not do it?
Do we have an SMT with the yes? 1, 2, 3. No, pretty much the same thing. Anyways, by the time I was checking for an SMT, I missed the opportunity, even if it would have happened, but there wasn't an SMT regardless, so. They both took out the 10:05 highs or the 10 o'clock highs, depending on how your chart reads. Your chart, normal person's chart would say 10 o'clock. Ninja Trader says 10:05. They print the ending time of the candle, not the starting time of the candle. So all other platforms, when a candle ends at 10:05, the start time is 10. They print the candle as the 10 o'clock candle. Ninja Trader prints it as the 10:05 candle. No, Sparks, I'm not offering you more cookies. I always wonder why. Yeah, why would you be so different like that? It throws everything off. That's great. Yeah, and you sound stupid also when you're on stream and you say we broke the 10:05 high and everyone's looking and saying, what? It was at 10 o'clock. What's he talking about? Does he have a different chart or his price is different? No, it's just Ninja Trader. On a 1 minute chart, it's not so bad. 5 minute, not so bad. When you're looking at a half an hour or an hourly and you talk about it, shit, I wonder if they do that on the daily. It starts and ends on the same day. Yeah, you can't do it on the daily.
Bad thing about cookies is when you start eating them, you want more and more and more.
Didn't fill me, eh? I gotta make a recording of this wealth charts thing. People would shake their heads. What? Where's your box? Smooth operator, do you have cats? Or a cat? I know Chris has cats. Trash rat. No pets. Alex M. Giveaway game. Let's put you in, Al. What's this? Player 4. Smooth operator. 2 kids are enough. Who qualified anyways? This is the day session. Smooth operator, you qualified. Twin trades, you qualified.
Alex, good morning.
Alex qualified. Adnan. Skeletor has 3 balls. Wow. Alex also has 3 already. Oh, smooth operator, you got to win. You got to win today. Otherwise, you're being outnumbered. You better bring the big guns. Really wants a dog. Yeah, dogs are good. Big dogs are good. We have a little dog. Today is the last day for the qualifiers. Tomorrow is the giveaway. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Let's copy day 4. Day 3. Day 4. Thursday. Hey, the evening session. Tell you, you should show up in the evening session, man. I only got 6 qualifiers for the evening session, and today's the giveaway. Bama, Trash Rat, Butters, Twisted, Omnius qualified once in the evening, and you got to be there to win. So if they're not there, you win. You win by default. John, do I qualify? Yes, John, you got time. You type in exclamation mark. We're going to run 3 qualifiers if possible. If you don't even win the first one, just type in exclamation mark giveaway as soon as it ends, and we'll run it again. As long as we can get up to 8 players. Me in. Sure, me in is good enough. Who's going to be?
Exclamation mark me in.
Who's going to be deal? Oh, it's true. No, he was doing the deal me in, I think, maybe. Yeah, no, deal me in is another game. That's beat the dealer. Deal me in. Do I even have information about that? But no, the giveaway game is maybe you weren't talking about the giveaway game. Do I qualify? Okay, what do we got? I forgot. We got Alex M. We have John.
Somebody ate all my cookies. Despicable.
Yeah. John. Who else do we have? We put Skeletor in because he's an OG. John, what do you say? Skeletor is one of the original gang. We put him in even though he was here in the morning, but he doesn't have time. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You feeling generous this morning? Just to let you know, though, he already has 3 qualifying balls for tomorrow's draw. You can win more than once. Sure, John's a generous guy. I love generous people. Okay, well, I want to have some fun. It's almost 11 o'clock already. Skeletor, we're going to create 2 market makers who can't win. MM1. MM2, so you got quite a bit of people running interference here. Save and apply. And we'll put it at a speed so it doesn't win too quickly. Have to hang around. I don't know. What do I got to do? Game. Let's make it large. Cover up the screen. Oh, we missed a nice nice entry right there, eh? Yeah. Cover up the screen. Good enough. There we go. Got rid of the warm-up message. Omnius, you putting it on your stream?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, a check mark. I don't even know how you did that. That was like magic. That was chat magic. Okay, you got to get into the winner's pit on the right side of the board to qualify for tomorrow's giveaway. Hopefully we'll run 3 of them today. You got a lot of space to work over there. We have Smooth Operator, Alex, John, and Skeletor fighting for position and running interference. We have Futures Floor, Omnius, 2 market makers. And Omnius is set up. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
John, fire or burst? Fire is 1 ball at a time in random order. You don't know if you come out first or last. Burst is everybody out at the same time. Fire. I like fire too. John, you're my kind of a guy. Hey, you came out first. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, though. Never really paid attention to that. Okay, we're breaking through the... trying to break through the resistance wall. Market Maker 1 stopped out. John was in a dangerous position there for a while, flirting with the stop out pit, but he survived. Managed to work his way through. There is 1 hole. Alex finds his way across very quickly. MM2 stopped out. Alex bouncing around. Smooth Operator tried to sneak. Alex flies right across the winner's pit. John, John, you were going to make it through, but Alex, that's funny. John, Alex, you were near the winner's pit and you just shot right into the stop out pit. John, you look like you're in a good position for this, actually. Oh no, I don't. It doesn't look good, John. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to play again. You might as well type in exclamation mark qualifier right away. You'll be in the next round. Skeletor, the man who doesn't need any more entries, because if he gets any more entries, he's gonna have a certainty. Yes, I didn't do it today. We'll run another one for sure. Actually, John, you know what I'm gonna do for you? We're going to play a single game. John on his own. See if you can make it across. I'll pick up the speed so it doesn't go so fast. Who do we got here? We got Smooth Operator and Skeletor. Hey, you know what? If Smooth Operator and Skeletor stop out, we run the game again. So who knows? I mean, like immediately. Smooth Operator, Skeletor, both on the right side. Smooth Operator is going to float over. He might bounce off the wall. Just squeaks in. Beside the game. Beside the winning pit. He's going to try again. Again, he's going to fall right beside the pit. I should move the pit over, huh? You never know what's going to happen. Smooth Operator might get a lucky bounce. He might get the double. What's it called again? With the physics. Not distribution, but winners, futures. Look at that. John, we're running it again right away. Because futures, which is me, can't win. So, this is still qualifier number 1. Market maker number 2, out. I thought market maker number 1 was going to hit a peg and fall into the stop out pit. Futures gone. They're at two ways to cross over. Skeletor gone. John, it's looking good for you. You're competing against Smooth Operator and Alex. Stopped out. Market maker number one. Alex made it back over to the right side of the board. Ready? Alex has gotten through the resistance. Smooth Operator was making a run for the pit at a nice angle. Alex bumped him. Oh, I thought Alex bumped him right into the stop-out pit. No. Oh, my God, no. He didn't. I thought he was going to go in there, too. Okay. John thinks there's greener pastures on the left side of the board. He's looking around. John's playing with a blindfold on. Where's that pit? Omnius streaking across the board, but gets bumped back to the left side. John stopped out again. Still only giveaway game number one. You're already registered in giveaway game number two. Alex, gone. We got Omnius and Smooth Operators. I think the next one I'll speed up a little bit more. Make those settings real time. Omnius, looks like you're going to fall into the pit. No, he hits a peg. Giveaway, please. Yeah, you're in the second one already. Omnius. Ooh. We're not going to play the second one right away. Maybe at 11:30. Smooth Operator, this is looking good for you. Oh, you tried. It was looking good. I guess, oh my God, I'm off. Maybe I shouldn't be trading. I don't know how to read it today. Smooth Operator's going right into the pit. That just leaves Omnius. Well, Omnius can't win, so hold on. We're stopping this one. We're stopping this one. We're stopping this one. Boom. Well, I want to.
You put in Twin Trades.
Oh, did he twin? I didn't even see that. Okay, Twin Trades. We'll get you in. I want to pick up the speed a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to 5. Pick it up because we already played 2 games. Okay, and I got to type it in again. So we got MM1. Omnius, tell me if I am forgetting anybody. MM1, MM2. Wait. Next.
Yeah, no problem, Twin Trades. I got you.
Skeletor. I am going to forget some. Oh, no, it's Smooth. Alex M. John, right?
John, yes.
John. Smooth Operator. Was there anybody else? 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone's missing because it was 4 before, and I still only have 4. I only have 4. Skeletor, Alex M, John, Smooth Operator. Oh, Twin. Twin TRD. Okay, that looks good. Save and apply. And what's the speed? Let's just time scale 0.5. Okay, it'll run. It'll run pretty fast. Well, so we might have a winner within a few seconds. Here we go. Twin Trade stopped out in under a second.
That fast? My goodness.
Yeah, Skeletor gone. Player 10 wasn't supposed to even be there. Gone. That was a reserved field. That's okay. There we got a little break of the resistance. Someone can make it across. Everybody's battling it out. Helter Skelter, Smooth Operator, Omnius and Smooth Operator make it. MM2, Omnius again, run it again. Maybe I should just take out Omnius. He keeps winning. It's true. You're really lucky. I can't. Alex stopped out. Yeah, I can't believe Twin Trades gone. There's Omnius on the right side of the board again. Yeah, he's out. If he wins again, he's out. MM2. Okay, let's make some changes here. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of MM2, and we're getting rid of Omnius. Save and apply. Omnius just keeps winning. Fire. Now we got mostly the players. Who's running interference? Futures and MM1. The rest of you are all potential winners. Wow,
John wants to know what you actually win.
Sorry, John. Bullinox 50K account. Tomorrow is the giveaway game. You came just in time. Alex M stopped out. All the qualifying winners from the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, play in the final round on Friday morning. So we try to run 3 a day. Smooth operator, you're out, which puts it at 12. But I'm not sure if we have 12. I have to check. Let's just see here. Skeletor. John, out again. We got Twin Trades and Skeletor battling it out. Twin Trades almost. Twin Trades got it, I think. No? Bounced off a peg. MM1, run it again. You guys are still all in the first one. I know this is getting frustrating, eh? You guys just can't win.
Maybe take out the market maker.
Yeah. Okay, if someone doesn't win here, market maker and futures are gone also. Skeletor makes it onto the right side of the board. Futures floor is gone. John onto the right side of the board in a good position to bounce off a peg, bounce off another peg, and almost, if you would have bounced off that peg, John, you would have floated into the winner's pit. Alex Sam's floating around. John's going to get a bounce to the left side. Twin Trades. I don't think he needs any more marbles. Twin Trades. No, he only has one. Okay. Okay, it's Twin Trades. Control, copy. But John, in the name of fairness, file, save. So what do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 so far. Let's do a John alone game. John, we'll give you one chance. Why not? For a John alone game. You're on your own. We'll give you a chance to try and make it into the winner's pit. I should increase the speed. Come back in. You're on your own, so come back in 5 minutes. It's gonna take a long time to break through the wall. Each brick needs to be hit 3 times. Is there a chance you can get cash instead? There's a chance, but it's a very small one. It's under 1%. How was that? Does that sound about accurate, Omnius? There's a chance, but it's really small. There you go. You got a hole in it. If you can get through that hole, the wall is going to protect you and keep you on the right side. Just got to get one good bounce. 1% is all my ball needs. Oh my God. Let's see. We got a short at 95. Join the ask if I can get a better price. 98. There we go. That's so fast. Wow, I tried to get in at 100 and it just went without me. Oh no, it didn't. It got me in. I love it. That was a quick $136 for a 5 lot. John, we tried. We tried, John.
Ouch.
It's the best I can do one time. Okay, all you traders, type in giveaway
Nobody
game.
yet?
Okay, thank you. Well, you're in the next round, John. Don't worry about it. We do it 3 times a day. That's what I used to say to my wife. Can we do it 3 times a day? Hey. So, yeah, smooth operator. Perfect. Let's get in the names. Maybe we'll change the pegs a little bit. How about we get more pegs? Let's change up the game a little bit more pegs. Not too many. And what else do we want to do? Let's make the pegs smaller. Okay, that's a good size. A little bit more pegs. Let's change the color. Smooth operator. John, color. The color is good for you guys. How about green? Green, the winner's color. Okay. Apply settings. Hey, that's not more balls. Sorry, I went the wrong direction. I mean more pegs. I actually went the wrong way. I put less pegs. 140 and 140. There we go. Now we'll have more pegs. More pegs. They're still too big. While we're waiting. Peg size. 6 is good. Apply. Okay. Add. Futures. Omnius. John. Smooth operator. All in. Okay, I've got low other options. It's pouring rain where I'm at. Well, better than here. Here it's, well, it's not snowing today, but it's winter. And it sucks. I'm not in the mood for winter. Omnius, how are you doing? I'm not in a trade, really? How come I'm not in a trade on the bot? Didn't catch a trade? Wow, that sucks. Shit, if it did, it would have been short at 219. Almost 200 points. Oh, well. Smooth. Operator. John, Alex, and, well, that's Skeletor. He's an OG. He's earned the right. So is Woodchip, Joker, if they had even said one thing. But Alex M. Oh, wow, look at that. I'm at the high of the day on my Well Charts account. Didn't even notice. Alex M. Twin Trades. Trash Rat. If you guys want to be in the next round, give me a ho. What time was that? I see a twin. Oh, thanks, Omnius. Okay, now that was before. All in. I mean 50K. I meant 50K. Deal me in, all in. No, it's just deal me in, John. Wow, that was a big dump. We're dumping. Let me go take a look at the 30-minute. What are we looking at here? Yeah, see, we got into that resistance zone there that I highlighted. And now we're selling off. Let's see if we can take out this low. Close back inside the range. Because this is a bullish chart, the 30-minute. So if we can take out this low, close back inside the range, and then get a long trade triggered, that would be a pretty decent trade. Maybe justify going back up for the highs. Target that liquidity up there again. We will watch. The daily, did we get back below the 50? No, but that's an ugly candle. What do you guys call that candle? A shooting star? When it's got a big tail on the top? I guess the
Still
shooting
playing
star.
the game, or You pausing the game for a little bit?
No, we'll wait till 11:30. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I add in a couple of market makers, just have smooth operator John Skeletor.
Market dumped, huh?
Yeah. Let's put in 1 MM, 1 market maker. Save and apply 6. We need 2 more people. But John, smooth operator. Even if you guys have to go or something, you're still in the game if you actually win. Just show up tomorrow to watch the final game. We'll play it at, I guess 11:30 is a good time to play it at. So 11:30 we'll be playing the game for the account. It would be much easier to organize with the winner if the winner was there at the time. I guess you'll go on Discord, DM me, give me your email address, and we'll set it up. For the 50K Bullinox account.
Smooth operator, appreciate you.
I tried to get in. At 34. I didn't to 22. Shit. Fuck, it would have been like another $120. I tried. I'm down. What's the account? Like real money? John, you asked that already. John, you don't know how prop firm accounts work? Yeah, no, it's a prop firm account, John. They call it a 50K account. They give you $2,500 to risk. You got to reach a profit target of $3,000. Sorry, John. My mistake. You know what they say when you assume things, eh? I make an ass out of me. I assumed. I just assumed. I assume everybody knows. My mistake. Bullinox, it's a prop firm, and they have prop firm accounts. They're called evals. So on the first try, you have to reach a profit target of $3,000 before hitting your stop loss of $2,500. And if you do that, then they give you what they call sim funded. You rotate into another account, start again at 50K, and if you get to $3,000, you can start withdrawing the money. So the first step is an evaluation phase, and the second step is when you kind of have an account where they start paying you. So if you're unsure how the prop firms work, well, actually, we're doing, you know what? If you want a good idea of how the prop firms work and all the rules, we're actually going to be reviewing one. We have a podcast at 1:30 today. 1:30 is good, eh, Omnius? Is that good for you?
What are we talking about?
The podcast today?
1:30, yeah.
Yeah, and we're going to be going over the rules of Apex, which is another prop firm. So, wow, look at that. Look at the speed we're going down with. So you'd get an idea, a really, really good, clear idea of how it works. But that's basically it in a nutshell. I mean, there are a few other nuances and stuff, but in general, don't hit your loss of $2,500. It's a trailing loss, so it moves with you. You know, if you make 1,000, your level moves from 47.5 to 48.5. You know, if you've gone up all the way up to 51,000, it's always a 2,500 trailing from your high water mark. That's a good way to explain it. And you got to get up to 3,000. That's the eval, phase 1. Past phase 1, you move into phase 2, where when you get to the profit target, you can start asking for payouts. Why is say I'm number? I'm not sure I understand. You mean, why are you number 1? I think you've typed the most messages. I think that's, if you're talking about that little number 1 with the crown, that's YouTube giving you daily YouTube chat points or something. Top fans. If you look in the top right corner of your screen, it's going to say top fans. You're a top fan. Look at that. Day 1. I knew you were a top fan. That's why I ran a single game just for you. You seemed like a top fan kind of a guy. Even Omnius, he was whispering privately, he was going, is he a top fan? I was saying, yeah, I think so. Omnius, you're quiet today. You still angry I cut you off? Are you angry
Never
at me?
angry about it. I thought it was kind of silly that you was angry about it.
Are you angry at me? Look at the face you're making. You're angry.
Hell are you talking about? Trying to read stuff.
Okay. 69 short. Let me get on the thing. 69. Ooh, 77. I'll take 77 if I can get a better price. Anytime you want to tell me I'm filled there, Mr. Wealth Charts.
Whatever makes you feel better. That's what makes you feel better.
Stopped out. Hey. What's going on here? There we go. Shit, you had to stop me out. Look at the nice move I missed. Oh, these wealth charts are hard to trade. I'm only up 153. Wow, it's crazy. In a market this fast where you only know whether or not you're in a position 5 seconds after you click the button. Not a fun way to trade, I can tell you. Hey, Sparkle. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. That was a crazy dump, eh? Let's get on to the 1 minute chart and see what we see. Do we have an entry? We can potentially have an entry. Yes. Is there a reason to think this is an entry? Did we take out a significant level? We did. We took out the previous day's high at 988. We took out the previous day's close at about 958, whatever it is. So if this candle closes bullish and we can close above the high of the previous candle, I would say deal me in. Deal me in, by the way. It's just deal me in, John. It's still just deal me in. I'm going to take a one lot, but only if we get a 50% retrace. Wait, it's coming down. I got to see what we did. Shit, I just got rid of my cursor. By the time I do all this, it's another... oh, no, we definitely closed. Okay, so the best trade is an entry at 936 for me. If we can get that.
Okay.
Is it 936? Yeah, it looks like 9. Wow, it looks like 940, but yeah, it's no 936. That's not a time. That is a price level. We can get it at 936. The stop is around 919. What just happened? Oh, that's my bot that just took a trade short. But manually, I'm looking to take a trade long. Okay, I joined the bid. Looks like I got filled at 936 and a quarter. My stop is 919, so I'm risking 17 points. And I'm targeting almost 100. Oh, there we go. Get out. Flatten, emergency. I guess I lost more than 17 points on that, eh? Oh, my bot caught a nice trade. Let's get rid of... yeah, you see, that's the problem with the bot, eh? The bot's a trend trader. If I'm going to do a counter trend trades also every now and then, it makes things difficult. Sparky. Okay, well, we wait for other players. Sorry, I think, you know what? I don't even see my my screen. I think the giveaway is taking up the whole screen. Boom, 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 boom. We can play warm-up games again. Well, we wait.
My bot finally decided to get out of the trade. Refused to take the take profit.
Strange. Eh? Really? That's weird. Sorry, guys. The message on top was wrong. It was talking about Thursday night's giveaway game. There is a separate run of qualifiers and a game for the evening session, and it kept referencing Thursday nights. No, it's really this. The morning is for the morning session. So it's for Friday morning's game. I changed the message. Is there a giveaway this morning? Tomorrow morning, John. Did you qualify? I don't remember. Starting to think it's Joker and he's just pulling my chain. Save tomorrow morning, John. But you haven't qualified yet. We have 2 more qualifiers, hopefully, today. I will definitely run one. If we don't get 8 players, I'll run one more. You are in it. We got Smooth Operator John and Skeletor so far in it for today. If we check out, I was going to go short. We'll run one more. What just happened?
Damn, talking about straight down.
Yeah.
Once again, from the top of that zone. Big rejection.
And I'm still humming Smooth Operator in my head. It's funny. I was listening to Sade playlist yesterday while I was working. Ooh, that was a nice pop higher. I won't have an entry, though, on this candle because it's a bullish candle that swept the low. The swing low from 3 candles ago. I like them to be bearish candles. Wow. You have to be a magician to trade with wealth charts. What's the ATR? 39, still 40 points. Remember I was saying I wish we have higher volatility? I guess sometimes it's, what do they say? Be careful what you wish for.
Got it now, huh?
The bot went long, reversed at 929. We got over previous day's close. We got VWAP almost 200 points above us at 152, but we do have the previous day's high, 988. Pretty much 25,000 above us. Let's call it 25,000, which is a very large round number. So the bot actually can go long in a situation that kind of looks like a counter trend trade. That's interesting. I didn't think it was able to. I have to make sure at least it's exiting the trades now. Before it wasn't even exiting its trade. Got in. I didn't even have an exit condition. 11:30. Wow, look at that. Wood chip big move, and it just it just blew through. The wood chip big move called it there, huh? Yeah, I'd be stretching it if I would say if this candle closes bearish like this, that it's a trade. It doesn't meet all the conditions for a continuation short. I don't want to cheat. I don't want to cheat. Even if it goes, it's not really an entry. Sparky.
Had a great entry, but I missed it. Yeah, well.
Very hard to get your price, eh? By the time we actually see it on the chart, the actual price underneath can actually be 10 points away. Actually. There you go, Sparky. No, all sarcasm aside, yeah. The data that's building the chart is ahead. Okay, bot just took a short. Do I want to ride a short with the bot for a 2-lot? By the time this stupid fucking wealth charts updates. What a disgustingly embarrassing platform, I have to say. The only thing going for it is the trade result copier. But what good is a trade result?
Was the same as Project X that everybody wanted.
Nah, wealth charts is different. It's a hybrid of I don't know what. But these delays are just unacceptable. And it completely ruins any benefit you get from a trade result copier because you just don't know. I mean, yeah, if I'm trading in the evening when the ATR is 3 points, doesn't make a difference. But in this kind of volatility, I should take my $200 and just be happy with it.
Mm-hmm. Tried to take quick trade, but they came back and got me.
There's no quick trades with wealth charts.
Still think the trade's a good trade. Just The range is too high.
Yeah. You're thinking for a short?
I wasn't
or for
a short.
reversal? Yeah. I have no idea how the bot is doing. Let's take a peek. The bot is currently down 147, but see, that's the thing. It had some huge winners. At one point, I think it had a 200-point open winner and only took out. Yeah, that was the one that it didn't have the exit condition in. So I didn't even know it was out. I didn't even know it was out, and it gave back all its dollars. Anyways, we'll see where this one takes us.
Looks like they might be struggling at this area.
Mm-hmm.
And this hourly gap, see how they react.
Oh, you didn't fill my limit. At 70, it's at 40 now. 30 points. It would have been a $200 trade. You would have been filled on Ninja Trader. I thought I would get filled. I thought they would fill me anyways. I thought they would know that there was the delay. Oh, see if we can catch 100 points with the bot. I'll take it out manually. Actually, I was even thinking 60 points is good. But maybe 2 ATR is a good idea, or 3 ATR. 2 ATR. I think 2 ATR. Or maybe even scale out 1 ATR, 1.5 ATR, 2 ATR, something like that.
Charts all over the place.
Yeah.
The hell?
Yeah, it's pretty helter-skelter. Helter-skelter. I'll go listen to, John, you stopped that again. I'll go listen to the Rolling Stones later. You like the Stones? Some of their songs?
Some of them.
Mm. That's the one that I like a lot. It's not Midnight Rambler. Painted Black? No, definitely not Satisfaction. Sympathy for the Devil. There it is.
Thinking they sang that one, Give Me Shelter.
Give Me Shelter is really good too. Yeah.
Finally got there. It just took a whole bunch of tries.
Yeah. Well, we're pushed with momentum below previous day's close, so we went green to red.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that dump off that zone. Up top there at the
Problem was the littlest
250.
pullback was 26 points.
Yeah. Well, now the next level is
Looks like it should have been 5 points. That was almost 30.
next level is down here.
Really don't know if it's good news for green November if we're diving off of this area again.
Well, I think that's pie in the
Could
sky.
go back down to the bottom and break through and just keep falling.
Oh shit! I had my 100 points. 930. I wasn't even paying attention. 930, 760, 40, 140. I had a 170 point winner.
Any news moving the market?
Nice tumble again. Easy to see buyers are in control.
How do non-farm payrolls come in over double what's expected, and yet hundreds of thousands of people were laid off?
I found that weird also. Non-farm payroll is stronger, but the unemployment rate was also higher. It was contradictory.
Something ain't adding up. At
Someone's calculator is broken.
First they were saying they weren't even going to put out that information.
Yeah.
Now, hold on, we're going to put it out, but it's way better than anyone could have ever expected. Not by a little bit, but by 120%. I don't know about us. Seems a bit weird, you ask me.
Like I said, someone's calculator is broken. Okay, 11:41. I think we're going to call it here. We'll play the game one more time. Let me close my wealth charts. 332 on wealth charts, down 260 on top step. And I don't know. Apex, one of my PAs is up 827 and my other PA is down 592. So overall I'm green by maybe $300 or something spread out among all the accounts. And the bot, I'm going to close the bot here, and it's up almost 200 points on this trade. So that was a nice trade, and the bot ends green for the day. We'll keep watching it. Okay, guys, let's anybody in the stream, Omnius' stream, my stream, if you're just lurking, type in exclamation mark giveaway game, type in exclamation mark anything, and we'll run it one more time. Let me just change the speed. I don't want to stick around too long, so we're going to get this one going a little quick.
Just dropped almost 600 points.
I know. Apply settings. What do we got in here? Futures Omnius. We got Smooth Operator, John, and Skeletor. We'll give it
almost
a minute.
600 points straight down.
Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow I'll do better in Top Step.
Could you
I don't know how I
imagine
screwed up in
the
Top Step.
martingale strategy today?
Yeah, go check him out and see how he's doing. Because he's kind of counter trend trader, eh? So, well, maybe he got the top. Who knows? I want to get a preview of Ninja Trader Prop. I'm curious to see what's going on with that platform. Okay, that's it. 44. That's enough. 1 minute for the game. Let's go. Qualifier number 2. You want to set up your screen or I just run it? Oh, I got to set up my screen too.
Just give me one sec.
Unlock, remove, game, enlarge. You know what? I should set up 2 screens so I can just turn one on and turn the other one off. Okay, this is not a warm-up. This is a qualifier. John, good luck. For the 50K
He's down
eval.
about 2,500.
Who?
That one guy. Yeah.
See, I guess it's kind of good that they have that rule, the consistency rule. I stopped trading once I was up 827 because I don't want the consistency rule to screw me up. Who knows? I might have continued to trade it and given it back. Wow, yours is so clear compared to mine. Okay, let's go. Let's get this done. Fire. Burst. Let's do a burst. Omnius is out of the gate first, followed by Skeletor. Yeah, we got John Skeletor, who gets a free pass because he's an OG. Smooth operator and John. Skeletor is out, even with his free pass. Smooth operator almost looked like he was going to float into the pit. Into the pit of doom. John's flirting with disaster again. John bumps off the wall or the border, the stop out pit. So the smooth operator's gone. Oh no! He survives. The platform didn't take him out, even though he hit a stop loss. That's pretty much what happened. John, you're in good shape. Who knows? Who knows? This might be John's moment. Futures gave him a bump in the head, knocked him down. Smooth operator runs. Takes a big run across the board. Doesn't make it. John needs a little encouragement to get over to the right side. He's trying. He's on the right side. If he can get a good little bump, little help. Nope. Went looking on the other side again. Market maker 1 almost hits the pit. Omnius looking dangerous as always. And smooth operator might get a little, all he needs a little assistance for a bump. Oh, that peg. That peg took him out. John might knock smooth operator in. Oh, John, you couldn't come closer than that. Hey, look who takes it. John, if you're still there. There you go. You found a way across to the good side of the board, to the holy side of the board. And got baptized the winner. Okay, John, show up tomorrow, 11:30 for the giveaway game. Let's get you in the list of qualifiers. And since we're missing one for today, we will run one qualifier maybe tomorrow if we can. I still have a space, so file, save. Everything is closed. There we go. Guys, I'm in. You're in. You can be in again if you show up early. There'll be one more qualifier tomorrow. I do have one more space, so it's we have a small community right now, so trying to grow, but that increases your chances of winning. And we're going to be doing this for like the next 10 weeks, if not more, and maybe even increasing the number of giveaways. So make sure to keep showing up. John, like I said, if you're not familiar with platforms, prop firms, do a little digging, go to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, get an idea, come in, check our podcast today at 1:30. We're going to be doing a deep dive on Apex, which is one of the prop firms. And that's about it. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Appreciate it. As always, hit the like button on your way out. And I'm streaming tonight at 6:45 p.m. And I am doing a giveaway tonight with the qualifiers from the week. Omnius?
Guys, appreciate you. See you tomorrow morning. Or in Mike's chat in the evening. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Later, guys.
Take care, guys.